this is what it looks like, and I am so shocked at how good it turned out. I'm going to be dyeing my hair because it has definitely grown out a lot, even though it doesn't look bad because it's like mixed in. It's not like one line across. It doesn't look bad, but just, you know, having lighter hair on the bottom is a lot of maintenance. So I just want a different hair color. I wanted all just dark and just leaving it like that. On the top, my roots have grown out, so this is my natural hair. You can see that I have a lot of grays here on the side and in the middle and in the back. And then on the bottom, it's just processed from here to the bottom. So what I'm going to be using is eSalon. The hair dye that I'm going to be using is from eSalon, and it was specially customized for my hair type, and the look that I'm going for. So it's really awesome because anybody could do this. All you have to do is go online on eSalon and you take a style quiz on exactly what you are looking for. So you tell them what kind of look you want your final look to be. You send pictures of like your hair and what it looks like. So that way a licensed colorist can actually customize something specifically for you. Because I've actually used them before. They're pretty awesome, and I think I had lighter hair. I wanted to go dark, so they did a really good job. I am gonna miss my lighter hair. I love light hair, but I've been wanting to go dark for a while. Let's get started. I have all of my tools laid out here. Here is what the hair dye looks like. This is where everything is packaged. So the instructions are personalized, specific to you with the formula of the hair dye that they created. So I like that all the instructions are very well detailed so that you don't miss a step. Accidentally, it shows you like what kind of hair dye you're going to be using. And I have a few extra things here just to make the coloring processing easier. So I have everything laid out here. And what's really cool is that they do ship internationally. So they ship to the US, Canada, and some parts of Europe. So definitely check them out. I'm so excited to partner with eSalon in today's video. For more information, make sure to check out the link down in the description box below to get 50% off your first order. The entire process is super easy and simple to follow. So I'm going to begin by parting my hair in 4 different sections, and I have the clips over here so that I could make sure that they stay in place. And then I do have 2 different sets of hair dyes, one for the top of my hair where my roots are and one for the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is, before I begin, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the stain guard around my face, which is something that came inside the kit, and then I'm going to add the first color on top where my roots are. And so what I'm doing is making sure that I get like the front and like the sideburns, and then where I part my hair, so that way that hair can process more than the rest of the hair, because that's what you're gonna see at first glance. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it back up, and once I am done doing all of my roots, I will go back in with the second hair color, which you guys will see, and add it to the bottom of my hair. So here I am mixing together the second dye that came in my kit, because my hair is 2 different colors, and I'm just gonna do the process all over again. So I'm gonna bring it down and then add it just to the bottom of my hair and slowly kind of mix it in with like the roots, but not too much, but concentrating mostly on the bottom. And this was so simple to do. I was afraid that I wasn't going to have enough hair dye because I have so much hair, but luckily I had more than enough, so I didn't even have to worry about that. That's one thing that I love about this service, is that they customize it to exactly what you need and you're not going to miss on anything. I already went ahead and applied both, and I set my timer so that way I can go ahead and rinse it out with their instructions. They included shampoo and conditioner that is great for this specific color, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And right now I'm going to use a stain remover and get around the areas that have stained so far. I decided to do it before I washed my hair. You're supposed to do it afterwards, but that's okay. So what I did afterwards was just rinse it all out, waited for it to air dry, and then the next day when I styled it, I straightened it so you could see what it looks like better, and this is what it turned out like. Alright, so here is what my hair looks like afterwards, and I am so impressed. I've always done like a one color with eSalon. I've never done two different colors, especially having lighter hair at the bottom. It was bleached, and they did such a great job finding the perfect formula in order for my hair to be all one color. I'm extremely impressed that I could do this myself because I have no professional background. I'm just your regular girl trying to get her hair done and I can't believe that I did this myself. If I can do it, you could definitely do it. And I cannot believe how well it turned out, especially with having so much hair. I thought that it was just going to take way longer than it actually did. So I planned this to take me like maybe over an hour, and it didn't. It took like 45 minutes or less, and that was with me like trying to show the products and everything. So I'm glad I did it. And now like I feel like it looks so much healthier and glossy and shiny.